Welcome to a journey through time. Today, we delve into the annals of history to uncover the pivotal events that transpired on December 28th. A day like any other, yet a stage for some of the most significant moments in human history. We begin our journey in the year 719. On this day, the city of Córdoba in Spain fell to the Moors, after an extensive siege. This marked a key event in the establishment of Moorish rule over the Iberian Peninsula, a reign that would last for nearly 8 centuries. Fast forward to 1602, and we find ourselves in the midst of the Dutch East India Company's inauguration. This marked the birth of one of the world's first multinational corporations, a powerful entity that would shape the course of global trade for 2 centuries. The year 1836 saw Spain recognizing the independence of Mexico. After years of war and negotiation, this marked the end of Spanish rule in Mexico, paving the way for the country's evolution into a sovereign nation. In 1869, William Finley Semple, a dentist from Ohio, received the first patent for chewing gum, a simple invention but one that would go on to become a staple of popular culture worldwide. Our next stop is 1917, where we witness the wake of the Great October Socialist Revolution in Russia. On this day, the Council of People's Commissars was formed, laying the groundwork for the world's first socialist state. Then, in 1934, we have the premiere of Bright Eyes, a film that catapulted Shirley Temple into stardom. This was a significant moment in cinema history, marking the rise of one of Hollywood's most iconic child actors. The year 1945 saw Congress officially recognizing the Pledge of Allegiance. An emblematic moment, it solidified this patriotic oath as a key part of American identity. Moving ahead to 1973, the Endangered Species Act was signed into law in the United States. This marked a significant step in environmental conservation, demonstrating a commitment to protect and recover imperiled species. In 2004, the Bicentennial of the Lewis and Clark expedition was celebrated. This event commemorated their historic journey across Western North America, shining a spotlight on their significant contributions to exploration and cartography. Finally, we arrive at 2010, where Arab Spring begins in Tunisia. This marked the onset of a revolutionary wave of both violent and non-violent demonstrations, protests, riots, coups, and civil wars in North Africa and the Middle East. From the fall of cities to the rise of corporations, from the birth of nations to the recognition of endangered species, December 28th has been a witness to a myriad of transformative events, each event a piece of the puzzle that forms the complex tapestry of human history. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through time. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, every day holds a story waiting to be told.